How to create a Zoom virtual background using PicMonkey. These are awesome for meetings or just virtual hangouts with family and friends. The recommended size is 1280 by 720. So from PicMonkey's homepage, click Create New, then choose Blank Canvas, and you'll see the option to type in your custom size at the top. You can design your background in many ways, and now I'm going to show you an example using our graphics. PicMonkey has plenty of graphics to choose from, but if you use the search bar, you can easily find what you're looking for. When using graphics in PicMonkey, you'll see the graphics palette. There, you'll see all of the colors that are completely customizable and changeable. Here's a quick tip. If you hold down the Shift button while selecting more than one graphic, PicMonkey will multi-select them. And if you want to multiply them, click Command D or Control D. You can duplicate many at a time. Now let's create one using gradients. PicMonkey has beautiful pre-selected gradients under our textures. Feel free to browse through them and hit apply once you find one you like. And to finish this design, I'm going to add a heart message. Now let's create one using our text tool. To start off this design, I'm going to add some shadows from my graphics. I'm going to resize it on my canvas and fade it. Now I'm going to head to my text tool and add some text. You can use your own fonts, PicMonkey's fonts, you can use our text layouts, and there are tons of text effects that you can try. Now here's how you change your background in Zoom. First, you'll see a little caret at the bottom left next to Stop Video. Choose Virtual Background and click on the plus icon that will allow you to add your own image from your computer. If you have text on your background, you might have to check off Mirror My Video. And if you're on mobile, it's really easy. All you have to do is click More, Virtual Background, and the plus button to add your own photo. If you're looking for more resources during this tough time, PicMonkey has put together tons of templates, graphics, articles, and other resources that'll help you stay healthy and safe at home while staying in contact with your customers. And click on the link in our description to get 2 months of free PicMonkey.